India. Well, as you see, we at Lanxess are represented in India for our sales in India for all our 10 business units. Out of the 10 business units, we also locally manufacture for 5 of our business units in India today. Lanxess employs about 900 permanent employees in India, and they are operating out of 5 locations. And you will see that we have manufacturing sites at Nagda in Madhya Pradesh, at Jagadia in Gujarat. We are headquartered at Thane near Mumbai, and of course we have sales offices covering New Delhi and Chennai. Our sales in India, and this is when we talk about these figures, these are not like-to-like basis as company reported numbers, because you know that we do not report our exports in these numbers. We have significant exports out of India, but our sales within India have grown from 1,000 crores roughly in 2007 to more than 2,600 crores in 2017. And here, these are just sales within India. Within this period, of course, with our investments in India, we also do sell, we also do export a huge amount of products to countries all across the world. Let's come to our Jagadia site. Our Jagadia site is a really modern site. It's a multi-business unit site where we are operating and producing for about 5 business units. Lanxess employs about 350 permanent employees on this site, and as I mentioned earlier, we have a production facility for ion exchange resins here, also for our high performance plastics business. We are producing here biocidal active ingredients that are getting into the paint industry. We do manufacture rubber chemicals that are getting into tire and non-tire applications, and we have intermediate production. Talking about sustainability, I think 20% of the total cost of building our site has been spent on just sustainability, so you can understand how important that topic is to Lanxess. We have state-of-the-art and really modern effluent treatment and sewage treatment plants, multi-fuel boiler, off-gas incinerator, etc. on our site. Also, from a transportation safety perspective, we really ensure that 96% of our overall export consignments we have moved from road to rail. So we are moving most of our exports directly by rail from our site into the ports. The Nagda site. The Nagda site is an acquired site, as you might know. We acquired this site on the 1st of September in 2009. We have a production facility here for our intermediates business, for the business unit Advanced Industrial Intermediates, and we are producing benzyl products and inorganic acids on this site. We have a really strong global market leadership position for certain key products like benzyl alcohol that we produce on the site. The site employs about 260 permanent employees, and we are supplying into a host of end application areas, right from agrochemicals, coatings, flavors and fragrances, dyes, and pharmaceutical industry, etc. from this site. A significant volume from that site, as like Jagadia, is also exported to countries around the world. As I mentioned, and as was mentioned by our board members in the past, we take significant pride in our drive for safety and sustainability, and I would like to really inform you that we have spent on this site a huge amount of money for sustainability projects. It was an acquired site, and we really have it to global Lanxess standards at the moment. We have a cogeneration plant on that site, which is really saving us more than 70,000 tons of coal. So we are using biomass on this site. We have a really state-of-the-art wastewater and sewage treatment plant. We have a post-treatment plant, and we have a off-gas incinerator. The site has gone on to win several awards as well, including the Ramkrishna Bajaj National Quality Award and several awards for sustainability and safety as well. Even on this site, like similar to Jagadia, not on that high level, but we have about 60% of our exports from the site we have been able to so far manage to move from road to transportation by rail to the ports for export markets.